The average person has about 50 to 60,000 thoughts per day. What if I told you that you can have these thoughts work for you instead of against you so that you can create the life that you want? My free 30-day guided meditation challenge where I help you master this mindful practice in only 10 minutes a day. Join me as we take a beautiful journey here in the island of Aruba, where we are going to meditate at some of the most iconic beaches of the world. Sign up down below and get ready to transform from the inside out and discover your true potential.